Fashion.
Put it all on me.
Fashion.
Put it all on me.
Fashion.
Put it all on Felice.
Hey.
Guys, we want to tell you about the fashion.
We're talking about drunk weather.
Still not how the song goes.
I'm not singing it because I want you guys to go to the music video.
Please go and watch it.
it.
Please go and watch it.
Tuesday, feeling like Sunday, so I couldn't see.
So we just did a music video for my song Drunk Weather. We've been talking about a few different aspects that Jeffrey handled for the music video. One of those is the fashion. We got together before the shoot and
We
had
did.
a little meeting.
Little pre-production meeting.
Figured out all the looks
Yep.
for the shoot.
We really wanted it to be an easy breezy, casual, rainy, drunk vibes weather look. And so,
Jammies.
yeah, jammies. We knew that the girls were gonna be playful, not as dressed up as Felice was in her cute little pink teddy romper, which you definitely need to go check out because it is
It's like my favorite.
such a cute
I
look.
love it so much.
Such a cute look. But we wanted to play with different looks. We didn't want to just be cutesy, you know,
Mm-hmm.
because we went from teddy romper into this like bold blue jacket with the wonderful Puma two-piece.
Shout out to Michael Kors.
Yeah, shout out to Michael Kors. That was a good jacket. Thanks, boo. But we wanted it to be soft and hard. And I think that that's very much your style. Very soft, but also like rocker edge. You know, it's
Relaxed and high fashion.
Yeah,
Like
yeah.
we did the sports bras with luxurious
high
looking
fashion jacket.
jackets.
Yeah. A big part of it when you've got girls in pajamas or girls in like easy breezy outfits is how do we make this look sexy? How do we make this look like I still have a snatched body and like, you know,
Yeah.
you're just feeling good in it. Most of the time when you're sitting on the couch in the pajamas eating ice cream and pizza, like you're not like, oh, I look so sexy in this right now. But we made it look sexy in the drunk weather
That's
video.
something that Jeffrey's really good at, is helping also not only with wardrobe, but also once you're in it, like how do I pose myself in this so that I'm looking like, you know, my best self today.
A big thing when Felice and I are working together in any capacity is just figuring out where we want to be posed, what is the vibe we're going for, and how we can have the best possible result with whatever we're doing. And so that was a big part of it, being able to see on camera how it was translating and then positioning her and the other girls to really give you maximum shape, effect, and body while you're wearing literally a fluffy one piece.
Yeah.
It's like, how do we make this like have curves and shapes and not just look like a Care Bear?
Like you're just sitting on the couch.
Yeah,
Like this.
yeah.
Yeah.
It really isn't the easiest thing to do, but when you have a client like Felice, it's not very hard to do. So I loved that. I even loved the really relaxed sweater off the shoulders.
Oh yes.
You know?
Yeah, we wanted to do that whole like, well, it's sweater weather, you know? So we were like, you gotta have a sweater look up in here. But how do you make a sweater look sexy off the shoulder? So
High
that's it.
socks.
High socks, no pants.
Yep,
You know? 'Cause
yep.
That's how I walk around at home by
All
myself.
the time.
That's what
Me
I do.
too, girl. Me
you know, I
too.
answer the phone and sweater with no pants.
Yeah.
That's what I do.
And even like with the sweater look, we decided this would be a nice time to pull the hair up, because when we're going with something oversized, we don't want to go oversized and then go oversized here as well. You need to decide where you're gonna expand on your shape and where you're gonna tone your shape down. And so by really snatching back that hair with the sweater look, it gave her a beautiful profile shot. It gave her a beautiful, you know, expose of her décolletage. It's really about complementing whoever you're working on and not letting the wardrobe or the person overtake either aspect of it.
Right.
We wanted everything to complement Felice. We wanted it to complement the girls and make sure that everybody felt as beautiful and sexy as they are.
Speaking of the girls, that was also one of my favorite moments that happened kind of just spontaneously on set. We had planned for all the girls to wear cute pajama sets, which we had them in for the first scene. The second scene, I had the fur coat on with the sports bra. All of a sudden, I looked at the girls and I'm like, we can't have them in the same outfit. Oh, I love jackets. I have a bunch of other jackets that I'm gonna just put all of them in. So we put them all in different jackets
Yep.
and
Sports bras.
Sports bras, because I
Yeah.
had a set of those sports bras. Got all of them. Thankfully, all of their boobs fit in these different sports bras that we all like. So they all wore the sports bra look with the jacket, and then just kind of elevated mine just a little bit with the
Added the
shorts that I was wearing. I
fur,
had the silk
A
shorts.
little more jewelry.
Yeah.
Yeah. Well, and when you think about drunk weather and it's rainy outside, it's like you want to be lounging in your PJs, but like you need a nice little coat on there.
It was like you were playing dress
You
up.
got to run to the door and let
Yeah.
your man in, or you got to run to the door and let your pizza in,
Yeah.
whatever it
Yeah.
is. You
It
know,
was fun.
it really dressed it up, but didn't make it out of place or out of character for the context of the video and the song. I hope that you guys like the fashion and the hair and the makeup and obviously the music. That's the greatest part of the whole thing. Go check out Drunk Weather on YouTube now. Pause this video
And go watch it now.
and then come back and comment with what you think about the styling in the video. Do you love it? Do you hate it? I don't care if you hate it because we love it, but I'm
Yes.
sure you're gonna love it.
But we'd still like to know what you think.
We would still like to know what you think.
But
And
we
let us
still
know
love to
which
comment.
look is your favorite.
Yes. we'd love to know.
Which look is your favorite?
My favorite look was definitely the sports bra with
The blue coat?
Yeah.
Yeah.
No, but I do love the
The
little
teddy.
the teddy
Yeah.
too.
Mine's the blue.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I think the blue though. Yeah.
I think
definitely
that
the
look too, in my head, was like the most Felice.
Yeah.
Like I think that really, especially with the boots and everything,
Yeah.
like it was very soft and hard together and sexy.
Yeah.
And
I do. I agree. That's
Yeah.
what I thought too.
go team.
Yay!
Thank you guys so much for watching. Again, please go check out the Drunk Weather video. Like, subscribe, comment,
Or over here. One of
leave
those
us a thumbs up. I guess that's the same thing as liking.
Yeah. It's different on YouTube.
Yeah, click on the bell. I don't know where the bell is, but
Somewhere down
ding,
here.
there's a bell somewhere.